Good morning, children. I hope you are all reading well in the exam because exam is very nearby. Only countable days. It is only 5 to 6 days. So you have to work hard. Then only it is very easy to get the good mark. This time, physics 80 mark, chemistry 80 mark, biology 80 mark. Don't neglect it. Before that, science together 80 mark you are writing. Now it is a challenge for you. It is a risk for you. You have to face this challenge. From the two chapter itself have selected 80 marks question from the physics part. So here I have written the question paper pattern. Please go through it once again. Section A, that is a 1 mark question, children. Section A is containing 1 mark question. So question number 1 to question number 20. Question number 1 to question number 20. That is sometimes very short answer, sometimes MCQ. Like that it will be there. Question number 1 to 20. You have, while choosing the multiple choice answer also be very careful. If they have given in the sentence form is you have to write it in the, that is very short answer. So that is also 1 mark. Question number 14, 15, 16. That is based on assertion and reason. So you know you have already learnt in 9th standard. Assertion they will give, reason they will give. Then under that 4 options will be there. You have to select any one option. Assertion and reason. I have selected from the 2 chapter, that is magnetic effect of electric current and the light reflection and the refraction lesson. The 2 chapters you have to read well. Now next question number 17, 18, 19 and 20. So these 4 questions are based on the paragraph based question. Okay, they will give in a paragraph mainly the content, the concept they are going to mention in a paragraph. Based on that 5 questions will be there. For that 5 questions you have to attend 4 questions. Okay, till 5 questions they are giving. Sometimes multiple choice or very short answer, like that it will be there 5 questions. Under that 5 questions you have to attend 4 questions. Understood? So like that how many paragraph based questions will be there? 4 paragraph based questions will be there. That is 17, 18, 19, 20. Next question number 21 to 26. That is 2 marks question. That is section B. Section A finished now. Section B is question number 21 to 26. 2 marks questions. So based on the question you have to write the answer. For 2 marks question don't write very lengthy answer like 5 marks question. Don't write 1 page answer. So you have to limit your answer based on the mark. Next question number 27 to 33, that is 3 marks question. That is coming under section C. Section C, question number 27 to 33. So all are 3 marks questions. Sometimes you have to write the diagram. Read the question. Whether the diagram is needed, you have to write the diagram. Sometimes they are not asking the direct question, you have to write the diagram of electric motor. Maybe they are asking write the construction, write the structure. So that is understood. Construction structure is nothing but diagram. So in such a way, read the question carefully and write the answer. Question number 34 to 36, that is 5 marks question. That is coming under section D. 34, 35, 36. So 3 questions are under 5 marks question, that is coming under section D. I will give you one hint, children. Better first you attend all the 5 marks question, 3 marks question, 2 marks question. Then you attend the section A 1 marks question. Because some children they will delay the section A itself and they are unable to manage the time. Then finally they will suffer, oh I didn't able to manage that time. I didn't get that time to complete my examination, like that they will give the answer. So better if you know 5 marks question you attend it, 3 marks, 2 marks, everything you attend it. Then mainly this paragraph question is there now, 17, 18, 19, 20, you keep it at the last. First question number 1 to 13 you attend it, that is easy only. 14, 15, 16 also mainly based on the assertion and reason, you can try and you can attend it. But 17, 18, 19, 18, 20 you keep it for the last section and you read the question carefully and try to write. So these are the important hints and the clues I have given how to write the examination, how to face the examination. Now let me revise the chapter magnetic effect of electric current. How many chapters are there? 2 chapters are there. So the first chapter name is magnetic effect of electric current under physics part. Magnetic effect of electric current. In this chapter, mainly in the regular classes, I have already explained the definition of magnetic field and properties of magnetic field lines. Which are the important properties of magnetic field lines, children? Magnetic field lines are closed continuous curves. Then no two magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Then you recall it. So mainly at the poles of the magnet, the strength will be more. And the magnetic field lines entering from the south pole and emerging from the north pole. No two magnetic field lines never intersect each other. The tangent at any point indicates the direction of the magnetic field. So these are all the some of the important properties related to magnetic field lines. And for that, what you have to write, children, you have to write the diagram. This diagram you have to keep in your mind, no? Correct? South and the north direction, and how the magnetic field lines will emerge from the north pole, and how it will emerge from the, and how it will enter from the south pole. So this diagram is very, very important, and you have to write it. Correct? Emerging, look at the direction, and entering, so entering direction, emerging out, and inside the magnet, the field lines are parallel to each other. So like that, while writing the properties, you have to write the diagram also. Then Oersted experiment. Oersted experiment, mainly the Hans Christian Oersted, the famous physicist. What he has given the information? He has given the information so that there is a close relationship between the electricity and the magnetism. From his idea only we come to know that there is a close relationship between the electricity and the magnetism. For that activity, what and all the items he has taken? He has taken battery eliminator, rheostat, ammeter, plug key, and he has given the connection. Then afterwards, what he has taken? Magnetic compass he has taken, and he has kept nearby that battery eliminator, the circuit. Then after that, when you are passing the current through the circuit, what has happened? In the magnetic compass, the needle is going to deflect. The magnetic compass, the needle is going to deflect. Why it is going to deflect? Because there is a close relationship. Even that the circuit is acting like a magnetic field. So electricity and the magnetism, there is a close relationship. So from that we have understood there is a relationship between the electricity and the magnetism. Mainly the experiment is known as a Oersted experiment. Then what else we have learnt in the class? Magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor. So for that activity also what the items we have taken, children? Battery eliminator, rheostat, ammeter, plug key, magnetic compass, one straight conductor we have taken. For that you can go through the textbook page number 227. Learn all the diagram properly. Okay, children. So straight conductor we have kept. Then we have passed the current through the circuit. Then some of the iron fillings we have poured on the kg cardboard sheet, and we are going to tap the cardboard sheet. Then we are keeping the magnetic compass also nearby that. So what type of circles you are observing in the iron fillings? Concentric circles. So these are all the observations you have observed in this activity. Then the factors on which the magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor depends. That is mainly V is proportional to I and V is inversely proportional to R. Magnetic field is directly proportional to the electric current, and magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance. If we are keeping the magnetic compass very far away from the kg cardboard sheet, then we are not getting the deflection. So magnetic field is inversely proportional to distance, but directly proportional to the current. Current means directly proportional means the strength of the current. For example, 2 amperes of current, 4 amperes of current, 5 amperes of current. If you are going to pass through that circuit, means magnetic field will be high. So in such a, these are other factors you have learned. The next one, magnetic field due to a current through a circular wire or a loop. That is in the page number 229 it will be there. You learn the diagram. That straight conductor we have taken in the form of a circular wire. Then the magnetic field strength will be more. And the same thing we have given the connection to ammeter, plug key, rheostat, battery, everything. Then what changes you have observed in that activity? The same changes. The magnetic field lines will be straight at the middle, and at the end it will be like a circle. So I have explained in the class, correct? Exactly in the middle, the magnetic field line will be perpendicular to the board of the circular coil. That is, perpendicular means exact straight. So there the factors on which it depends is V is proportional to I, V is inversely proportional to the distance, and V is proportional to N number of turns of the coil. So this one is related to straight conductor activity, this one is related to the circular wire activity. The factors is V is proportional to I, V is inversely proportional to 1 by R, V is proportional to N. N is nothing but number of turns of the coil. Still many more topics are there. Solenoid activity is there. Electromagnetic induction, mainly the Michael Faraday experiment is there. Electric motor is there. Please go through it. The next coming class, let me revise this topics also, and mainly the late chapter also. Till that, don't waste the time. Read well for the exam. Thank you.